Hi, I'm Lynn Langit, and in this short screencast I'm going to take a look at the new Excel Mashup functionality and then show you how I added it to the Teaching Kids Programming blog using the WordPress plugin. So first you want to go to excelmashup.com here, and I'll show you what it looks like. And the concept is that you can associate Excel visualizations with any table of data on the web. So I'll just click and show you what it looks like first. So this will bring up an interactive view, and you have charts, then this is around movie stuff, that you can filter, you can sort, you can remove your filter there, you can look at different types of views. That takes the filter off. Here's your sort, and it has the data bars, the kind of cool stuff in Excel. You can print it, you can open it in Excel for the web, or you can open it in local Excel. So kind of a neat set of functionality. So when I was looking at this, I said, all right, how do you add this button? What do you do? So I started reading it, and basically for a standard website, you just choose your button style, you put in the title, so the button style is standard or tiny like that, and then I'll just say ABC, and then the data provided by ABC, and then you generate the code, and you just copy and paste it above the particular HTML table, and then you put this at the end of the HTML table. So on a standard website, that's all there's to it. What I thought was interesting is there is a plugin for WordPress. So to work with that plugin, you can just download it and then install it into WordPress. And of course, the Teaching Kids Programming blog uses WordPress, so I thought, oh, that would be kind of neat. Also, there's an FAQ and documentation, and there's some APIs, so there's more programmability to this, but I just wanted to do this quick screencast to get us started. So over in WordPress, if you download it, it'll tell you to download. It's just a zip file, and then it tells you rather than the markup code, you use WordPress code basically. So here's the different short codes for WordPress. You can say the title of your table, the style of the button. You can say the file name for when people download the file. You can say data provided by whomever, and then if you have more than one table on the page, you can say that. Now, one thing that wasn't clear from this is whether you put separate, you put this multiple times, or you just add these as attributes. And I had sort of mixed results with this. So I will tell you that if you add each one separately, you'll get separate buttons. So obviously you want to add as attributes. There doesn't seem to be any documentation as to the order, and I was able to get some of these attributes to work and some of them didn't work. So, and there isn't any support or anything because this is relatively new. So once you do that, then you go to the site, and I'll show you what the end product looks like, and then I'll show you how we got there. So this is the Teaching Kids Programming site, and I created a little table here. I used a table creation tool rather than regular HTML to see if it would work. So here's the years that we've been doing TKP events, the number of events, the number of other events like DigiGirls and things like that, the estimated number of students taught, and the website views. So nice data, but by associating this table with the Excel interactive view, what I can do is I can allow visualization, I can allow filtering, so if I want to highlight a certain year, if I want to look at different types of views, so I'm going to remove the filter. It looks like it takes 2 clicks now for that to do it. I've got my chart over here, I've got some other types of views over here. I can, look at a certain aspect of this, so I can say TKP events only and filter there. I can sort if I wanted to sort to see which year we had the most students taught. It was 2011 to date, although these are estimated numbers. Then I can go ahead and I can print this if I want to. If I want to open it in the Excel web app, it's going to look like this. And I have more capabilities around filtering. So in order to do this, all I had to do, and let me just go back here as I'm running out of time, is I had to, let me go back to I'm going to pause. For the purposes of time, I just went into the edit mode, and here's the salient point where I just added what is the button style, the title, so on and so forth. And like I said, the data attribution wasn't working properly. And then I'm just going to exit full screen, go back out, view the page, and then it's going to pop up, and you'll see there's my Excel interactive view. So I encourage you to try it out. It's a great visualization. This is Lynn Langit. Thank you very much.